Hey guys, this is Jack with Lightwork Handyman Service. We're out here today. House has got vinyl siding on it. Very common to see a house with a rock or stick that's been thrown up by a lawnmower. Has got some broken pieces. So here's what we're looking at. Got some hail damage, cracks, and places in it. Vinyl siding is actually very easy to replace. All right, here's the tools we're going to need. This little tool gets up under the siding, grabs the lip. See it looks up there and pulls it loose. Need some kind of straight edge, some cutters. This is what you cut the siding with: hammer, pencil, and some type of nail puller. Vinyl siding is installed the bottom piece first, and then it all locks together moving up. So I'm going to show you. We're going to replace this piece right here in the middle. I've already started pulling it loose, but you just stick your tool under, grab that lip, pull it out, and this is clipped into the piece under it, if you can see that. And then you just pull it out. This is where you want to cut. Okay, I've got the piece that I'm removing popped loose, and then the piece above it, pull that out so you can get to the nails. So I'm going to cut this, drew my line, I'm going to cut this, pull the nails, and cut a new piece. Okay, here's something that's very important to remember. When you're cutting a piece out, replacing a piece, you have to cut the new piece longer than the old piece by 1.5 inches because you have to have an overlap. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, this is a factory, and this is how your siding comes from the factory. It's got that little piece cut out right there, and what that does, it allows them to overlap. So you end up with 3 inches of overlap because you got 1.5 inches on both sides. And so that's why it's important. You got to have that overlap so water doesn't come in. All right, so we're placing our pieces here. I'll show you that's the lip on the bottom that we're talking about. And then I'm just going to pop this thing up here into place. Make sure our overlap there. Make sure this side and this side. And then just push up. That satisfying click into place, and it'll stay there, but when you put your nails in, you just want to give it a little upward pressure and then drive your nails in. All right, that's the nail that we're using. It's just a galvanized roofing nail. Use for shingles. It's got a big head on it. Just fits right in the groove, and then every 1.5 feet or so, just put your nail, and this you're gonna have to gently bend this up out of the way so you can drive your nails in. All right, then the last step is just snapping it back together. So we're going to use our tool and come in, start down here. And there you go. So all we're doing is just bending that lip down, front coming all the way down, working it down. Snaps in, good to go. We'll do this up here, and then we're done. So you can see the difference. Still got one down here to do, but there you go. I hope that was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions.